So how do we make book descriptions that look like this? If you're interested in finding out, keep watching. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make easy, beautiful, and unique book descriptions. So in my previous video, which is this one right here, I showed you how to make a book cover under 5 minutes, specifically making a Thanksgiving activity book for kids book cover under 5 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a book description for that niche. So the tool that I use to write beautiful descriptions is called Kindlepreneur. It's free, so everyone can use it. The link is the first in the description if you want to check it out. Once you click on the link, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. So what I do is, once I found my niche and I've created my book cover and it's time to publish it to Amazon, I have to write a book description. So I go to my favorite tool, which is Publisher Rocket. I've spoken about this tool a few times in my previous videos. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link for you. So for my keyword search, I click on competition and it brings me straight to the competition analyzer, and I click on check it out. Once I click on check it out, it brings me directly to Amazon's website and the book that I was searching for. So I go directly to the book description and copy it. Don't get me wrong, I'm trying to make a better description of my book, so I need to copy this, take it back to Kindlepreneur tool, and once I paste it, it's gonna bring this message telling me that the description is already formatted and that they want to make it clean for me to start all over again. So once I click OK, I scroll down, come here, most of the formatting has been removed. So all I need to do is to write a better description than the one that is already available on Amazon, but I'm using their description as a guide to make something better. So a description says Thanksgiving is coming up. This fun Thanksgiving book will give your children hours of great entertainment, help your kids get in the holiday spirit. This book features 15 riddles and jokes, 20 coloring pages, 15 mazes, 10 word search with Thanksgiving vocabulary, solutions included, high quality unique illustrations, best gift idea for Thanksgiving 2020. So the first thing that I've seen that I have to change is this 2020. Always make your book evergreen. If you put in a year, obviously that year will come to an end, and what happens? Do you have to edit the description again? So I'll advise that if you see any year in your description, just remove it. So it says best gift idea for Thanksgiving. Using the Thanksgiving activity book interior that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica, link in the description. The description of the interior from Creative Fabrica says it's 110 pages. Thanksgiving riddles, search word mazes, coloring pages, unique, original, and high quality interior. So this is how your description basically has to look like. So come back to Kindlepreneur. We're going to change this book description. 110 pages. We're going to come here and get rid of this. Put 110 pages. The next says Thanksgiving riddles. Come back here and change this to Thanksgiving riddles. Search word mazes, coloring pages. So just move 15 from there. Search word or word search. Word search. Coloring pages. Coloring pages. Original and high quality interior. High quality designs. Alright, so that is short, very short, because I like looking at a book description. I can easily get the information that I want to get as fast as possible. So this is neat, but instead of using bullet points, I want to use check marks. So I'm going to go with this. I'm just going to remove that check marks, check marks, check mark, check mark, and check mark. All right, so I'm just gonna bold this one. You can bold it, italicize it, underline. Just basically play with it, do whatever you want to do with it. If you want a numbered list, like 1 2 3, you can click this. I want to check, that's what I use. This you can use a bullet list like the one that was there before, but I want something different from the other, or from my other competition. That's why I'm using the check mark. I rarely see book descriptions using check mark. That's why I chose check mark. If you want to go with a star, you can do that. If you want to go with this diamond, hearts. So I rarely see people using hearts, diamonds, check marks. So my preference is check marks. You can choose whatever way you want to choose. So I'm just quickly gonna bold this and bold this. So my description looks okay. The next thing that I want to do is come down here and click generate my code. Once you have this, once your code has been generated, click on copy, and I'm gonna go back to my favorite tool for uploading, which is Fly Upload. It's free. You can start with the free version. If you want to upload more than 30 uploads per month, then you have to pay. But the free version, you can use 30 uploads every month. So I'm just going to quickly load my cover, the one I made from my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it up so you can watch it. So this is the cover I just uploaded. I've copied the description from Kindlepreneur. I'm just going to paste it here. And although it looks like this, don't worry about that. It's going to look the way you want it to look once you've uploaded, once your book is live on Amazon. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to fill the title, the subtitle, keywords, category, and the rest. Just click behind, then upload it to Amazon. So question of the day: what tool do you use to write your book descriptions? Let me know in the comment section below. I was wondering if I should start a top 5 niches for the week video. I thought it might be helpful to you guys, like, because one of the problems that I initially faced with my low content book publishing business is that I didn't know what niche to publish. So if you guys are interested in a video, a top 5 niches of the week video, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. So if you guys are interested in a top 5 niches of the week video for KDP, let me know in the comment section below. That being said, if you value from this video, if you learned something new, definitely give the video a thumbs up so the YouTube algorithm can show the video to more people. And if you'd like to learn more about KDP publishing as well as print on demand merch, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.